To use VPN on Pixel 10a, you have to open the settings for the first, and we got actually two options. The first one, you will have to open the network and internet settings, and you can find VPN by Google. So you have to just click over here, and now as you can see, you have to click on this switcher to use the VPN, and below we can find some options. For example, you can pause VPN on selected mobile networks, you can turn on and off notifications, and you can even pick some applications. There's a short description about the VPN, how it works, how you can connect, and that's pretty much it. If you want to turn it off, you have to just click over here and you can completely turn it off. And this second way of using that VPN is to use the Google Play Store and get the specific application, for example, the Surfshark. So there's different VPN, but for this one, you will have to actually purchase the specific plan, and the design and options looks much different than the default option that you got in your Google Pixel 10a. So that's pretty much it. If you find it useful, please hit the like button.